Hey guys! Welcome to my first video. Today I am going to teach you how to install Arduino IDE. First, we need to go to a web browser and search Arduino IDE. Then, we need to go to the Arduino website link. Then select Software window and the screen will appear. Now select the IDE 2.3.2 or the next latest version. Next in the right side you will see the download options. Now click that download button according to your PC requirement, then click download. A couple of seconds after, you will see the downloading screen. Wait for some time to download. Now, go to where the file is downloaded. Then, double-click the Arduino exe. Next, a dialog box will pop out. Accept all the terms and conditions and all those next. In between the Arduino will ask access to system. Wait for some time for the Arduino IDE to be installed. Now click the Finish button and the software will be installed. Now the software is installed. If this tutorial helped you, please like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials and also comment for other ideas.